Everyone's talking about the new Pokemon and event bonuses, but today I'm sharing 10 hidden GoFest tips to help you catch more shinies, complete more raids, and get the most out of the event.
And trust me, if you only remember one tip from this video, make it tip number 5. It can literally play GoFest for you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around until the end. You won't want to miss it. Alright, let's jump right in. Tip 1. Don't stay in one place. The biggest mistake I see every GoFest. People find one park full of lures. Then they stay there the entire day. Actually, the more you move, the more Pokemon you'll encounter. If you're spoofing, you can simply use auto walk or joystick mode to continuously move through hotspots without having to control your phone the whole time. Tip 2. Prepare your raid teams before GoFest. Don't wait until Mega Mewtwo appears. Build your battle teams now. Have one team ready for Mega Mewtwo, one for rocket battles, and one for regular raids. Prepare the best team before it begin is the most efficient way to do. Tip 3. Find rare raids instantly. One of the hardest parts of GoFest isn't beating the raid, it's actually finding one. Instead of randomly checking gyms, you can use the Pokemon Go toolkit. It lets you quickly search nearby raids and other stuffs, specific Pokemon, gyms, PokéStops, and even Team Go Rocket locations. It saves a ridiculous amount of time. Tip 4. Let Auto Catch handle the small stuff. Instead of tapping every single Pokemon, use Auto Catch handle all the common spawns. It automatically catches Pokemon, spins PokéStops, collects items, then you can get more Stardust. Transfer more Pokemons for KD to Evolove or power up the Pokemon you like. That leaves you free to focus on shinies, raids, research, and rare Pokemon. Tip 5. Use the community. Here's something a lot of people don't know. You can use iAnyGo Discord to search shiny directly. Also, it has thousands of active trainers sharing live coordinates for 100 IV Pokemon, rare spawns, and active raids. So instead of spending hours hunting, you can simply teleport to the exact location. Tip 6. Follow the habitat rotation. Each habitat changes throughout the day. That means the Pokemon you're looking for may only be available during certain hours. Always check the event schedule and move to the correct habitat before it rotates. Otherwise, you could miss the Pokemon you wanted the most. Tip 7. Don't waste time cleaning your storage during the event. Before GoFest starts, free up your Pokemon storage and item bag. More importantly, know what you're hunting for. Decide which Pokemon you'll keep and which ones you'll transfer right away. That way, you can spend more time catching and less time managing your inventory. Tip 8. Plan your walking route. Don't just wander around randomly, plan a route that passes through multiple Pokéstops, gyms, and high spawn areas. You can create your own custom route. That means more catches, more items, and more eggs hatched. Tip number 9. Follow the time zones. Here's a trick most players don't know. Different regions around the world go live, you can actually follow the event across different time zones. That means when one location finishes, another one is just getting started. So you can safely switch between GoFest hotspots around the world and enjoy more event hours. Just remember to respect the cooldown timer before taking any in-game actions. You'd be surprised how many extra hours you can squeeze out of GoFest this way. Tip 10. Play at the best coordinates. Last, but definitely not least, where you play can make a huge difference. Some locations have way more Pokestops, denser spawns, more active raid lobbies, and bigger communities than others. Instead of guessing where to go, we've already put together a list of the 10 best Pokemon Go coordinates for GoFest 2026. Go check it out after this one. You might just find your next favorite GoFest hotspot. I'll leave the link in the description and at the end of this video, so don't miss it. So those are my 10 hidden GoFest tips that can seriously improve your event experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which GoFest location are you planning to explore this year? Good luck, have an amazing GoFest, and I'll see you in the next one.